Something just broke in the AI trade. For 3 years, one rule held. To build AI, you buy Nvidia. On Wednesday, that rule cracked. OpenAI unveiled its own inference chip. It is called Jalapeno, built with Broadcom. Inference means running a model to answer you. Early tests show it runs that work for half the cost. This is not a normal product launch. The profit pool of AI compute is moving, and the trigger sits inside custom silicon. Here is what changed. For years, running AI meant general-purpose graphics chips, flexible, powerful, and very expensive. But inference is repetitive work. Repetitive work can run on a chip built for one job. That kind of chip is called a custom ASIC. OpenAI designed its chip from scratch for that job. Broadcom turned the design into real silicon. Microsoft has agreed to deploy it at gigawatt scale. The same week, Micron said memory is sold out for years. The message is simple. The money is shifting from one chip to the whole stack. Now look at the chain. Start with company 1, Broadcom. Broadcom is the most direct winner here. It co-designed this new chip with OpenAI. It already builds custom chips for Google and Meta. Now it adds the largest AI lab as a customer. Think of Broadcom as the contractor of custom silicon. You bring the idea, it builds the chip. The business evidence is strong. Broadcom holds a custom chip backlog worth tens of billions. Management has pointed to over 100 billion in future AI sales. The earnings path is clear. More custom chip programs mean more orders and higher margin. Its real moat is integration. Broadcom owns the chip, the networking, and the connections between them. That bundle is hard for rivals to copy. But here is the biggest risk. Broadcom has already run very far this year. A lot of good news is in the price. So this name suits a viewer who wants the safest, most proven path, not the cheapest entry, but the clearest one. Now, Company 2 tells a different story. It trades certainty for something more powerful, elasticity. Meet Marvell Technology. Marvell Technology is the credible challenger. It is the other half of the custom chip duopoly. Together with Broadcom, it covers almost the whole co-design market. Here is the key difference from Company 1. Marvell is smaller. A smaller base means each new program moves the numbers more. That is what elasticity means, more torque on profit. Marvell builds custom chips for Amazon and for Microsoft. It also bought an optical interconnect company this year. That bet is on light-moving data between AI chips. The earnings path runs through fast custom chip growth and better margins. But the trade-off is real. Marvell was not in this specific OpenAI deal, so its win is the broader wave, not this one headline. That makes it slightly less certain than Broadcom. This name suits a viewer who wants more upside and who can accept a bumpier ride to get it. Now hold that thought, because Company 3 is the one almost nobody is watching. Company 3 is M-Core technology, and it sits on the most overlooked step of all. Here is the recognition gap. A finished chip is useless until it is packaged. Packaging means stitching the compute chip and the memory together. Every custom AI chip needs this step. So does the new OpenAI chip. Yet, most investors never think about it. That is why the market may not fully focus on it. For the thesis to work, one thing must be true. The wave of custom chips must keep ramping into real volume. If it does, M-Core runs its packaging lines harder. Fuller lines means much stronger profit per dollar of cost. That is the earnings path, rising capacity use. But the risk matches the reward. M-Core is one step removed from the chip itself. It needs the orders to actually arrive. Now, let us compare the 3x3 simple lenses. On benefit certainty, Broadcom is highest. It is named in the deal. Marvel Technology is next. It rides the same wave, just not this headline. Amkor Technology is the least certain. It needs the volume to show up. On earnings elasticity, the order flips. Amkor Technology has the most torque. Marvell Technology is in the middle. Broadcom moves the least because it is already huge. On current market attention, Broadcom gets almost all of it. Marvell Technology gets some. Amkor Technology gets the least. So the picture is clear without any advice. One name is the proven anchor. One name is the higher torque challenger. One name is the quiet packaging bottleneck. So here is the real question for you. If the custom chip era is truly here, which one fits your view? The proven anchor, Broadcom, the higher torque challenger, Marvell Technology, or the overlooked bottleneck, Amkor Technology. One leads on certainty, one leads on upside, one leads on the recognition gap. Sit with that choice before the next earnings season. This content is for informational and analytical purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Investing involves risk. Please make independent decisions based on your own situation.